Hello everybody and welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Good to see you today, and I want to share something fantastic that happened here the other day. I got a package from the Lasse's barbecue. Yes, all the way from Sweden. Thanks Lars, I do appreciate it, and I want to show off all the deliciousness that you sent me. We got 4 jars of spices here. Lars, I know you sent 5, but unfortunately one was broken, and so when I opened that box it smelled wonderful. The one that broke was the apple crida, which is apple spice for apple crumble, and it had coriander and mint in it, so you can imagine folks a beautiful flavor that just came out of that box when I opened it. Now the jars are glass, so it's pretty fragile, and coming all the way from Sweden, you can imagine. Okay, so over here, the first one here we have on the left is Heta Fisken. It's for all kinds of fish. It's got lemon balm, tarragon, sea salt, fennel, and brown mustard seeds and chili. That promises to be very good, very spicy. I can't wait to try that one. Next one is a Grisa Crida Med Nor. Now it's pork spice with a twist, and Lars says that Nor is a pigtail. It's got savory marjoram, cumin, and sage in it, so that's great. That sounds pretty tasty too. This one is Tusa Ruda. Ruda is mix, and tus or tos is a southern way to say girl, southern in Sweden, I would guess. It's got lemon thyme, lemon balm, mint, coriander, dill seed, spice marigold, sea salt, and it's for use on fish or chicken or in making a sauce and a dip. Then what we have here is pagaruda. It's a boy spice, and pag or pug is a southern way to say boy. And the ingredients in this is lovage, savory, thyme, sage, rosemary, brown mustard seed, sea salt, and this is to make a dip. You mix it with sour cream and you make a good sauce and dip. So that sounds excellent. I can't wait to try them, and I'm going to feature these recipes when I make them. What he also sent me was this absolutely wonderful book. It's called, can you see it here? Simply Swedish. Okay, and it's got beautiful pictures of crayfish steaming here. It's hardbound, and it's just chock full of color, beautiful color pictures. Now I want to point out a couple of the recipes that jumped out at me here that I want to make. The first one is reindeer stew with almond potato puree and cloudberry. Now, I'll tell you, I have no clue what cloudberry is, but I have had reindeer, and it's delicious. I don't know if I can get it here, but I'm certain that we could substitute bison or venison, and it would be absolutely delicious. The next one is mussel soup. Okay, I love mussels in any way, shape, or form, and underneath there's a recipe for gratined mussels. So either one. I'm leaning towards the mussel soup because we love soups over here, and that just sounds absolutely fantastic. And then last but not least is the roast venison with gratinated root vegetables. Now venison is very easy to come by around here, and we can get it, and I love root vegetables, and gratin of the root vegetables sounds absolutely fantastic. So we're gonna make something here, and of course the ubiquitous Swedish meatballs, which look so beautiful. We're gonna make it, and we'll definitely post videos. And again, thanks Lars, I do appreciate this. You're just outstanding sending me that wonderful box, and I do appreciate you getting it. So those of you who haven't visited Lasse's barbecue, I'm gonna put the link below, and up here on the upper right, go ahead and send them some love, like and subscribe, and tell them the Rivet sent you. In the meantime, hope you all have a great 4th of July, and take care, people. Bye-bye.